Our company offers a plentiful stock of 5083-0 precision saw cut plates, with thicknesses ranging from 20 to 600 millimeters, and we also provide customized cutting services to meet individual customer requirements. Widely applied across various industries, the 5083-0 precision saw cut plate is particularly suitable for projects demanding high precision. Its outstanding corrosion resistance and high strength make it highly favored in shipbuilding and marine engineering. We prioritize product quality and ensure precise dimensions through precision saw cutting, meeting the high standards of material quality and accuracy expected by our customers. If you have specific specifications or size requirements, feel free to contact us. We are committed to providing you with high-quality 5083-0 state saw cut aluminum plates and cutting services.